Welcome to the installation tutorial of the ON-Power box. It is mandatory to follow all these steps, and in case of doubt, you should use the installation manual or ask for support before starting the process. The engine must be cooled enough, and if you turned it off recently, you should wait at least 10 minutes before proceeding. Open the bonnet and check if your ON-Power box is complete. Now, you must remove the protection cover of the engine. Find and unplug the camshaft position sensor and connect it to the new wiring. Then, connect both cables disconnected from your vehicle, always ensuring a secure connection. Switch off the plug of the turbo pressure sensor by connecting it carefully to the new wiring. Then, connect both cables disconnected from your vehicle, always ensuring a secure connection. You need to identify and remove the plug from the rail pressure sensor and connect it to the new wiring. The cables missing should now be connected to this sensor. Don't forget to make it in a safely way. Finally, and making sure that follows all security procedures, should connect the ON-Power box, blocking it correctly, attached in a position considered appropriate to not cause subsequent malfunction in the operation and performance of the product. For this, use cable ties for fixing it. Place again the engine protection cover and it's ready.